Hello, everyone. Sorry for the quality. The lighting here is meh. Okay. Today hold on. I'm working on a Starburst mirror. All of the items that I'm using today were purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm not done with it yet, but I just like to show you what I've done so far, and I'll tell you how I got to where I am. So this mirror is actually the base for a candle holder. It's sold in a round shape and also an octagon shape at the Dollar Tree. And these silver things are actually picks. They're cocktail picks. They had them out for the holidays in the Dollar Tree. I bought 5 packs of them, and what you would need is 5 or 6 packs, depending on how big you want your mirror to be. My glue is not dried yet, so it's kind of not yet set. But this is sort of what you'll get at the end if you do what I did. So you're gonna need a glue gun. You don't need this big heavy duty one that I have. This is by Parkside, but the ones that are sold in Walmart or Party City or Michael's, those are good enough. I just have a heavy duty one because I do a lot of arts and craft projects. Um, so yeah, 5 packs of picks, a glue gun, a paper plate to protect the surface that you're working on, your countertop or your table. Of course, the mirror, and that's pretty much it. So what I did is let me show you how I got to where I am. These are what the actual toothpicks look like, the cocktail picks. So they would be used for like cheese or whatever hors d'oeuvres you're serving at a holiday party. I took 2 picks and I kind of insert them like this. And then it makes it a little bit longer. But in order to get it to stay together, you just squeeze a little bit of glue right in the center, like so, if my glue gun would work. Okay. Yeah. So a little drop of glue like that, and then you kind of slide the other one in on an angle, press it down, hold it together for about a second, and they'll just mend together like that. So I have quite a few that I've done. I'll do another one so that you guys can see. Make sure you have 2 at hand. You add a little, one small bead of glue in between, and then you come in on an angle and just slide it together like that. Press it, and it's done. So now with the mirror, what I have is one flat piece here, and if you look at the tip of the pick, you'll see that it's flat and round. So what I do is I put a bead of hot glue on the face of the mirror along the very edge, along the tip. And then I'll place the pick right on top of the bead of glue and press it and hold it for like a minute or so. A little less than a minute, a second. It's still a little wet, so be careful. Move on. I'm lining the beads of glue on the front right next to each other so that this way the mirror will be full. I'll be able to fill the whole face of the mirror with the pick. I'm going to continue to do this right along the edge of the mirror until it meets the other picks. Be careful, the mirror may get hot because the glue is very hot. There's the bead of glue. Here's my pick. I'm going to place it on the bead and hold it. Just do the same thing all around. Place the glue. Use my stick, hold it for a second. So it'll stay. Now if you don't want to have it as full of dimensions like I have, you can just do the front of the mirror. Just apply the sticks to the front half of the mirror on the glass itself. But because I'm looking for a fuller look, oops, like what I've done to this side here. This side, if you notice, is a bit fuller than here, where my finger is right now. In order to get this full look that's along these edges, you need to apply the sticks to the back as well. But on the back, instead of just laying everything flat, I don't know if you can see, I kind of place them on the side in the back. So like here, there's a huge gap in between the picks. So I'm going to place one on the side in the back here. On the back, you just make one skinny line and then sort of turn the pick on the side and place it on the glue on the side. So it gives it like a three-dimensional sort of look. I'll do that again. One bead of glue, turn it sideways. Instead of laying it flat this way, turn it the long way and place it on the glue. Anywhere that I see gaps, I'm gonna fill it in so that it looks full. So of course the picks were $1 each, and I bought 5 packs. In the mirrored candle holder was also $1. So I spent $6 buying the supplies for this project. And here is the somewhat finished product. I'm going to fill it in some more, but you can use this as a candle holder, or you can hang it on your wall as wall art. I may create 2 or 3 more and place them up on the wall in a row, or make a pattern or design of your choice. Try not to break it because it's still not yet dry, but I'll put up a still shot so that you can get an idea. But that's pretty much the finished product for $5 or $6, depending on how full you'd like it to be. Here's my Starburst mirror. Okay.